Good morning, children. I hope you all are healthy, happy, and safe at your home. Welcome to our maths online class. So, good morning, student. Today we are going to start our new exercise 14.2, that is related to some of the interior angles of a polygon. Okay, so directly we come to the exercise 14.3. Okay, question number 1 is find the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon, decagon, quadrilateral, heptagon, octagon, nanogon, hexagon. Okay, different type of questions here. So firstly we will know about, suppose that we have to find the interior angle of pentagon, sum of the interior angle of pentagon. Okay, then what we will do, here we will put the formula. Formula क्या है आपका, आप अपनी बुक में ध्यान से देखेंगे. Sum of the interior angles of polygon is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180. So firstly I am writing here the formula. Okay, formula. What is the formula? Sum of the interior angle of polygon is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. This is the formula to find the interior angle of polygon. Okay, n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. It is important formula, so you have to learn it. Okay, it is important. Okay, now we will solve the question. Question number 1 of exercise 14.3. A pentagon. Okay, this is your question. We have to find the interior angle. Okay, sum of the interior angle. So here I am writing the solution. Now a pentagon, you all know pentagon के कितने sides होते हैं. So number of sides is equal to 5. You all know pentagon में कितने sides होते हैं, 5 sides होते हैं. So n is equal to 5. Okay, now we will put the formula. So here I am writing sum of the interior angle of pentagon is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. This is the formula. Here the value of n is equal to 5 and 180 degree. 5 में से 2 माइनस करेंगे, 3 multiplied by 180 degree. 180 degree को 3 से multiply करेंगे, what answer will come? 540 degree. This is your answer. Okay, now one more question I am doing here. I am taking one more question. Question number 4. That is a nanogon. Okay, so firstly I am writing here solution. A nanogon. ठीक है, number of sides कितने होते हैं नैनोगन में? 9. Sorry. Okay, so n is equal to 9. Again we'll put the formula. Sum of interior angles of nanogon is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. N is equal to 9 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. Okay, 9 में से 2 माइनस करेंगे, 7 multiplied by 180 degree. 180 degree को 7 से multiply करेंगे, what answer will come? 1260 degree is your answer. Okay, so according to that, remaining questions you have to do in a school copy or fair copy. Okay, do more practice. Thank you and have a nice day.